In this video, I want to talk about how you can connect your Trust Wallet to Binance. Now, currently there's no way to directly connect these two, but there's a feature that you can do, which is basically you head over to Binance. Inside of Binance, you want to find the deposit button, click on deposit, and inside of there, you will be able to find your deposit address. Once you found your address, and the address will look something like this. Let me show you. It's gonna look like this. And once you found your deposit address from Binance, then what you wanna do is head over to Trust Wallet, press send, and then you wanna type in the Binance address, choose the crypto here, and then you can send this crypto to the Binance account. So that's basically how that works. And also sometimes on Trust Wallet, some of the major cryptos, if you press on these and press buy, you might be able to buy with the Binance Connect. So that's a payment option that you might be able to do. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.